The error code F18 on a Miele dishwasher indicates a malfunction with the water inlet valve, which disrupts the appliance's operation. This issue is most commonly caused by a faulty water inlet valve. To resolve the problem, replacing the water inlet valve is often the best solution. It's also essential to check if the valve is stuck in an open position, as this can cause water to flow into the dishwasher even when it's not in use, resulting in unexpected pulses in the flow meter. To perform this check, start a wash program and then wrap your hand around the valve as water flows into the dishwasher. A properly functioning inlet valve should vibrate when energized. When the water supply valve is closed, the vibrations on the inlet valve should cease. If the vibrations persist, it's likely that water is still flowing into the dishwasher, and the inlet valve needs to be replaced. If assistance is required, it's recommended to consult a trained technician.